पितृदेवताभ्यो नमः द्वादश पितृभ्यो नमः सर्वे कारुण्यपितृभ्यो नमः. The Mahalaya Paksha or Pitrupaksha is a fortnight exclusively meant for showing reverence, gratitude and devotion to our ancestors and forefathers. Rituals like Shraddha, Tilatarpanam, Pindapradhanam and Annadanam are performed during Mahalaya Paksha. Krishna Paksha or Bhadrapada Masa is generally referred as Mahalaya Paksha or Pitrupaksha. During this fortnight, people perform holy rituals of Mahalaya Shraddhas to pay back for Pitrurunas, convey their respect and devotion to their deceased ancestors. Every individual born on this earth constantly dreams of achieving two major things: Vinadainyena Jeevanam and Anayasena Maranam. This can be explained as an independent and fruitful life and a painless and peaceful death. We can put our best efforts in realizing the former, but latter remains a thing of destiny's writing and absolutely out of our control. Every day we will be witnessing or hearing about lot of untimely, ghastly and accidental deaths and feel bad about the unfulfilled dreams and incomplete journey. A person who has died due to suicide, killing, accidents, fire or water mishap or any other unnatural causes is considered as being cursed by Durmarana or dreaded death. The soul's journey in such cases will be incomplete and the person who has died due to Durmarana will be unable to reach the destined points like Vasuloka, Rudraloka, Adityaloka, Pitraloka, Swarga, Moksha, etc. The soul of a person who has died in Durmarana or dread death will further attain Pretatva or the form of Preta or ghost soul. Due to this condition, the departed soul will be unable to receive the holy food offered during the annual ceremony or the Pratisamvatsarika Shraddha, as the soul has not attained the status of Pitrudevata or Pitrutva. Further, there will be a strong possibility of the surviving family members getting cursed by this ghost soul or Pretatma. Ghata Chaturdashi Shraddha is a very special occasion observed in the memory of ancestors who might have succumbed to any unnatural deaths like suicide, accidents, murder, fire and water mishap, calamities, etc. By performing Ghata Chaturdashi Shraddha, one can ensure liberation to the unsatisfied soul or Pretatma and further elevate them to the status of Pitrudevata. For those who are suffering from Pretashap or curse of a ghost, Ghata Chaturdashi Shraddha is the perfect religious antidote to overcome failures and losses. Performing Ghata Chaturdashi Shraddha at holy places like Gaya, Gokarna, Matragaya, Kashi, Varanasi, Rameshwaram, Srirangapatana or on the banks of any holy river will break the jinx of prolonged bad luck, multiple curses, black magic and witchcraft.